こんにちは, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make Japanese shumai. Shumai is mostly known as a popular Chinese dish enjoyed at dim sum. However, did you know Japanese enjoy shumai as well? Shumai is especially popular in my hometown Yokohama, which has the largest Chinatown in Japan. And you can see the ads for Kyoken shumai around Yokohama everywhere you look. Japanese shumai is mostly made with ground pork and onion, so the filling is much softer than the Chinese ones. The wonton or shumai wrapper we use is also thinner, so the texture is airy and tender. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. And since you guys are watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. 中華料理. It means Chinese cuisine. Chinese food is popular in Japan and you see Chinese restaurants even in local neighborhoods. You can say 中華料理が好きです which means I love Chinese food. 中華料理 Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね